Time for our Facebook forecast for the first day of March. Just 20 days until spring starts, and you would never know it here in the Pacific Northwest. Yet another storm system moving into the area. Now, so far, as Nate zooms on in, you can see there's a look at radar now, and just a few scattered showers popping up on the coast. But out here on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the leading edge of the next storm that's going to be arriving late tonight, and we'll be producing a fairly blustery and fairly wet Wednesday over much of the Pacific Northwest. So take a look at this. Rain, man, have we seen a lot of it. And look at this. On Monday down in Salem, 1.67 inches of rain in a 24-hour period. That breaks a 112-year-old record that goes back to 1899. No. It's not typographical error. 1899, not 1999, which they had 1.60 inches on the last day of February. Well, here comes this next system online, and that's going to be producing a fair amount of precipitation and already picking up high wind warnings now for the Oregon coast. And in the Cascades, even though precipitation has stopped, we do have an avalanche warning in place there for the rest of tonight and into tomorrow. So let's get a look. Here's the next system moving on in. It's going to come right on in and move up the Oregon coast, going from south off towards the north. So we're going to have higher pressure to the south of us, a big area, big, strong area of low pressure off towards the north. The bottom line with this is we're going to see peak winds between midnight and 7 a.m. And for the coast, gusts to 70 miles an hour. That's faster than freeway speeds, Nate.
That's pretty fast.
In the Willamette Valley, 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts are possible late tonight and through the early morning hours. Of course, soils are saturated, which means we could see some more problems with downed trees and power lines around the area. So here's our timeline, and you get a good idea what's going on here. I'll put the map into motion now. There you see, there's that area of low pressure right there. It's going to move right up along the Oregon coast so that by 9 o'clock, it's right here. And I do think that beginning, again, between about midnight and 7, we'll see those strong winds developing for the coast to 70 miles an hour, and in the Willamette Valley, including here in the Portland area, peak gusts to about 40 miles an hour. So we have the rain developing, we have the wind developing. Now, initially, snow levels will rise up to about 5,000 feet, but they are going to drop right back down again on Wednesday night, and we'll see snow levels down as low as about 2,500 feet. So this up and down pattern of rainy conditions, high snow levels, low snow levels, that's going to continue probably for the rest of the week. Don't expect any extended period of dry weather, at least not any time soon. We'll talk more about what's ahead for the next 5 to 7 days coming up on K2 News at 11. We'll see you then.